still. Hold it still. Right here. Right here. Oh, you dropped it. That's yours? There's your piece. Over here. Oh, give it. Nice. That wasn't nice. Throw the ball over here. See? You want to give me a ball? Give. Give. You gonna give? Slow down, slow down, slow down. Okay, give. It didn't let my hand be on it. See? And that's our morning with Bea and Nell. Thought we'd like to share a little bit with you this morning. Say good morning, Nell. Say good morning. Say, yeah, here's my ball. Yeah, we'll go in a minute. Say good morning, Bea. Say good morning. Yeah. Say good morning. Alright, you ready to go? Okay.